Here are 6 ways to start making money on YouTube. Already as a YouTuber, you already know that making money on YouTube is never going to be easy, especially when you haven't reached 1,000 subscribers and you haven't gotten to your 4,000 watch hours, and of course not being monetized yet. But in this video I'm going to show you 4 ways you can actually make money from YouTube as a new YouTuber. If this is what you want to learn, please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. The number one on my list today is affiliate marketing. You already know what affiliate marketing is all about, so I wouldn't want to go into that details. All you need to do is get your unique link from your affiliate platform and start making money from it. So what you need to do is just simply promote people's products. Like you can talk about it while you're videoing, or while you are talking about another particular stuff or another particular topic. You can use that product as a kind of your advert in making your video. That way your viewers, that way your audience are going to know that, for example, this mic that I'm using now, if I want to like affiliate with it, like ask people to buy from it, I will tell people that this mic is very nice and all that. You already know what it is and how good it is. Okay, so you can talk about it and let people go directly to your link in the description box and ask them to click on that link, and they're going to get it from Amazon or from Jumia or from any other platform that you are affiliating with. So you see, you can make money through affiliate marketing here on YouTube while you also do your videos online. The second one we are going to be talking about is selling digital products. You already know that digital products is like a game changer to a lot of people, because digital products is actually giving money and it is making money. All you need to do is create something like templates. You can create something like calendar, any kind of digital product at all. Even online courses are digital products, even ebooks are digital products. So you can create your digital products or create any kind of digital product at all and make it like a kind of advert on your video, just like affiliate marketing. You let people know that you are selling this kind of course. For example, you are teaching about how to make money online, or you're teaching about how to grow your YouTube page. So you kind of write something like a list on how to make money online, or a list on how to grow your YouTube page. You can actually ask people to buy your ebook for such kind of amount and such kind of money. If what you are teaching is actually giving value to people, they are going to buy it. So that way you are going to be making money from it. So digital products and affiliate marketing are actually the best way for you to start making money here on YouTube. And to be honest, you're going to be doing that all for free. You don't need people to like pay for your advert. You do it yourself. The third one on my list today is thanks. Okay, we call it super thanks and super chat. Okay, so people in this particular way, you earn through people saying thank you, or after watching your video. For example, you've gotten like subscribers, you have enough subscribers, or even if you don't have enough subscribers, but what you are teaching people are giving value to them, they are going to want to say thank you. Like they will be like saying thank you to you, like they will be like, okay, thanks for this video, it has actually helped me a lot. And this particular stuff is done with some kind of link, which you are going to link it up, and once they click there, some people call it buy me coffee, you get. So once you click on that particular link, it's going to take you to a place where you are going to get them a coffee, or where you're going to say thank you. It can be $1, it can be $2, it can be $3, depending on how much you place on it. Okay, and depending on how much value you are giving to people, that is all about these super thanks. Okay, so you can actually use it and start making money here on YouTube. And that is going to take us to the fourth one. The fourth one is membership. In membership, you actually earn through your community. All you need to do is like whatever thing you are doing. So community is like where you're going to be sharing some kind of stuff that you don't normally share on your YouTube live or on your YouTube videos. So you create this particular community for people to like enter or subscribe to, or it's just like entering your membership. Okay, when people enter into this membership, they're going to be paying like some kind of $5, depending on how much you are placing it every single month. Okay, so people are going to be subscribing to your membership, and in that way you are going to be making money from it. And before you get to this membership, you must actually start monetizing your account. That is it in YouTube. Okay, so you start monetizing your account, then you can place yourself on membership. And you also know that not just AdSense and all that are going to be giving you money, it's also membership gives money here on YouTube. So once you do that and all that, you are good to go. Your community, your people who are actually trying to see you, or who are trying to have one-on-one with you, or who you want to give more information, because of course people who subscribe to your membership or people who subscribe to you actually are looking for a vital information, or are looking for a better thing for them to like use and all that. So they got pay for it. So, and in return you are going to be giving value to them. So that is what membership is all about. They pay you every single month and you end up giving them value. And another way to make money here on YouTube is partnership programs. Like partnership programs with brands, it actually pays and it actually gives money depending on what topic and what niche you are handling. Okay, and how many people, like the engagements you are getting. Partnership program doesn't actually require you to monetize your account before you start making money on YouTube, or before they start reaching out to you. No, even if you are having less than 1,000 subscribers, once you are getting engagement in your videos, once you are getting engagement in whatever thing that you are doing, and if that thing aligns with what they are doing, that particular brand is going to reach out to you and ask you to like advertise for them, talk about a particular product, why they pay you for just talking about that particular product. Because they know that people are going to actually come to their platform or their brand to get anything they are selling. Okay, because of the engagement you are getting from your viewers, the engagement you're getting from your subscribers, and the engagement you're getting here on YouTube. That is how it works. So it depends on what you're talking about actually that gets you into brand partnership. The sixth one on my list today is AdSense. You and I know that without being monetized there, you can actually see AdSense playing on your YouTube videos. For example, if you're not yet monetized, like you have up to like 100 views, 200 views, 150 views, 105 views, AdSense starts playing on your phone, on your videos, but you don't get paid for it, right? For you to start earning from this AdSense here on YouTube is by monetizing your account, which is going to require you to get like 1,000 subscribers, and also for you to get 1,000 watch hours here on YouTube, and that way you start getting paid for your AdSense. Okay, so that is how you get paid here on YouTube without even being monetized yet. So if this video was really helpful, please don't forget to like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Okay, let me know in the comment section if this video was actually helpful. See you in my next video.